sis, give me a hand. Just give me a hand. Come, give me a hand.
From you wake up every morning, use a winner, yeah.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up? In today's video we have another deep conditioner hunt, and let's get straight into it. For today's product we have the Miche Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner made with raw honey and babassu oil. I'm familiar with babassu oil and honey. I think everyone is familiar with honey, how honey works in your hair. Babassu oil is very moisturizing for the hair. I know once a product contains that ingredient, it's going to be moisturizing. Well, I would assume, I would hope, but that's why we tested claims. So what does this deep conditioner claim to do? Miche made it very easy on their packaging. It said what it does. Indulge is an intense, super moisturizing deep conditioner for all hair types, especially dry, damaged, and color treated hair. Indulge makes your hair more manageable, softer, and healthier, which enables hair to retain length and grow. Indulge deep conditioner is enriched with raw honey, a humectant, which helps attract moisture to hair. Simple but effective ingredients such as olive oil and babassu oil help nourish and heal hair in need of repair. So it claims to provide intensive moisture, makes your hair more manageable and softer, and aids in retaining length and growing your hair. Okay, not too bad, you know. Let's see if Miche is going to live up to their claims. So let's see if this is going to be one of the most moisturizing deep conditioners that I have used. Let's talk about the hair now. So the hair has been shampooed. Only shampooed. I have been sitting out for a while, so my hair will most likely be dry, but that's why we have water. So I'm just gonna section my hair off and make sure that the section that I'm dealing with is wet. Okay. So last week we experienced a very dry hair week. You guys should definitely check out the week in my hair. So hopefully by the start of using this deep conditioner we can have a very moisturizing week. Let's see. So let's get the hair wet. So let's do a smell test. I have used the Moisture Protein Balance Deep Conditioner, or was it a protein conditioner? Whichever one, but that video is also on my channel. But let's talk about this one today. So smell. Try not to eat the products because apparently that's something we do over here. I'm smelling bubble gum. Yes, bubble gum. So it's sweet. I like it. Texture, more so on the thicker side, but still creamy. You grab a good amount. We're gonna apply on the hair. I gotta take out this earring because it's hooking up. Okay, first application impression. It went on pretty smooth, but my hair is still dry a little bit. Went on pretty moisturizing as well. Okay, gonna apply some more around the root area. My nails are done, so I can't finger detangle like I usually do, especially if it's not the easiest to finger detangle. The new growth is very thick, so because of the texture is quite thick, so I'm going to need a lot of water. Even though it's really moisturizing, you really have to work it into the hair and detangle. I'm sure using a brush would be a lot easier, and I have nails, so that's why the experience right now feels a little cumbersome. So I really have to take my time and detangle and work it into the hair. I don't think it's penetrating right away into the hair, and that's fine, but it has some slip, not the greatest slip, and this section is taking me a lot longer than I'm used to. But even though I'm applying a lot of water, it's just not giving me that ease of detangling. And yep, this definitely seems like a product I'll have to use heat with, but it has some moisturizing properties, just not, I'm not impressed as yet. That's fine. Okay, that's section number one. Let's move on to the other texture. Get the hair wet. I'm gonna apply it on this big section and then break it up after, just to give me some ease. I definitely have to work in smaller sections with this. Okay, now I'm gonna break it down. Okay, it seems to be warming up quite well to this texture. But yes, you need a lot of water to deal with this. Yes, water brings this to life. Okay, but I still feel like I put a lot of water on the section at the back. But that's a different texture. So it's working a lot better with this texture right here, my coarse texture. See how quick that was versus the back section. So I don't know, but it's still not the most moisturizing deep conditioner I've used on application, but we're gonna see how it works when I leave it in for a while. And I'm probably gonna go under my heat cap. So we're at the front texture. I went in on the big section. Yes, definitely works a lot better on my coarser texture. This is how my hair is looking so far. The curls aren't really curling. I do feel like it's weighing my hair down a little bit, like sitting on top of my hair, but we will see. I had to heat up my heated cap. Heat up, heated cap. Ha 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 ha. Wow. Corny. Anyway, so far that it's been in my hair, the curls are feeling very soft. It's giving volume. It's giving softness. And yeah, it's giving moisturized now that it's been in for a while. If you guys saw stuff on my mouth, I was eating a cracker. I was trying to tie it, but I feel like my hair in the front is getting caught up. So I'm just gonna put a ponytail holder over the bag. Get the air out and put on my heated cap. Hey Siri. Siri, wake up. Hey Siri. Siri ain't listening to me. Hey Siri. What's wrong with Siri? Siri, why you not answering me, Siri? Anyway, I'm gonna put on a 15-minute timer. Finish eating my cracker or biscuit, whatever you wanna. You guys know the go. Is it called go ahead? Yes, the go ahead crackers or biscuit. So see you guys in about 15 minutes. Well, a couple seconds. I mean, come on. We are all rinsed out. You guys saw how my hair looked right after I rinsed it out. It gives you a better picture versus sitting on here and taking out my hair. Sometimes I do have to re-wet my hair to give you guys that effect, but filming in the shower, if you know, you know. Let's not think about the cleanup after. Let's talk about the cleans. Y'all see how good the hair is looking? I wish you can come over here and feel it. Yeah, guys, my hair feels really good. We're just testing the claims one time for the one time. Hair feels really soft. So soft. Check. Hair feels really moisturized. Moisturized. Check. What else did it claim to do? Of course, manageable, because I know for sure my leave-in conditioner application is going to be very easy because of how good my hair feels. Sis, give me a hand. Just give me a hand. Come, give me a hand. I want you to feel this right now. So basically, those were all the claims. Moisture, softness, and manageability, basically. And Miche covered all of those claims. And I might just have to say, I don't know yet if it's the most moisturizing deep conditioner that I have ever used, because, you know, this deep conditioner hunt, we're just going to keep trying deep conditioners. But it's one of the most moisturizing deep conditioners. And my hair isn't overly moisturized and mushy. It just feels really, really, really good. Thank you so much, Miche. We appreciate that over here. You came, you conquered, you did what you said you were going to do, and we appreciate that over here, of course, right? Don't we, guys? We really do. So I am about to prep my hair to style. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye. Bye.